Hi, this is a demonstration video for a Bentley 5-inch CRT TV. This is a portable television that runs off of a power supply or off of C-type batteries. This is a strictly analog unit, so you'd have to have a converter box. I have this unit here is what I'll use for the demonstration. This gets signal off the air from that antenna and converts it from digital to analog, which I have running out this cable here, and then I'll plug that into the antenna input. But in any case, I'll do a quick walk around here. This is here's your model number, made in Korea, serial number model 4500. There's a little metal stand that you can fold down there, and there's the battery compartment. The metal stand is nice. It tilts up the front of the unit, makes it easier to view. There's a single speaker right here, and then there's a headphone jack here. There's nothing on this side connection wise. It's just a bare panel, and on this side you've got your tuning knob here, and this is your adjustment for the picture. In case the picture's rolling, this helps adjust for that. And then there is your antenna connection there, 75 ohm, which I rigged up to connect up to the receiver for demonstration. And here is a power supply connection. It says DC 12 volts. It's kind of interesting because this is the actual power supply here, and you'll see it says 15 volts. So I haven't measured the actual voltage off of this, but it may just work within a range, possibly. I don't know. That's what the power supply is rated for, and that's the original one. It's got a nice handle on it here, and then the back doesn't have anything. I think there was an accessory battery you could get to attach to the back here, a larger battery unit, which I do not have. In any case, let's plug it in here and give it a test. There's the power. And this is my rigged up antenna connection here. I'll need to hook up hook that up to the, okay. Let me try it off the back here. There we go. There we go. Oh, I tell you, this is not. There. Got my connectors on there. It's kind of funny, the picture adjustment. Incidentally here, this adjustment looks like somebody cut this out with a file or something. The original, I think, stuck out a little different. It didn't look like this type of a wheel. It was something that you could maybe grab with your finger, maybe. This one you have to use, a little screwdriver to adjust it. So I don't know if that came from the factory that way. It just looks very crude, like somebody really just went in there with a file or something. In any case, I'm going to turn this on. no matter what I did, I can't get rid of some of this snow off of here. I'll turn the volume down, sorry. I can't get rid of some of the snow. Also the rolling band you see, that's not happening in real life. That's just because the phone is not in sync with the TV scan rate. It's not flickering like that at all. But there is snow, and you can hear some static a little bit. So you can hear that no matter how I adjust this. You can improve it a little bit, but yeah, it's just not a perfect connection here. I don't have an adapter to connect the antenna directly to my receiver converter up there, so I'm sure there's some noise getting in through these wires that are not shielded. In any case, there's a brightness adjustment. It works pretty good. I'll turn the volume down. And then there's a contrast, which also works okay. And then there's your band selection here. Right now I'm on VHF low. And you can see it's tuned to channel 4, which is what I have this unit tuned to. So through this cable output, that's what it's doing. It's putting that video on channel 4, so that makes sense. Yeah, it's functional. Certainly nothing high performance, but and it's just black and white. I know in the camera here it kind of looks like it's a greenish bluish hue, but it is more of a grayscale, black and white picture, and it works all right. It was a cheap TV. Inside you can see the workmanship is not very modern. The solder joints and that sort of thing are not the highest quality, but I'll have to say it does work. I think it came out maybe in the 80s, maybe mid 80s or something like that, mid to late. I'm not really sure. I don't know if there was a date on here. Yeah, I don't see any date listed, but in any case, I'll turn this down. We can turn that on. So, yeah, see how that's rolling a little bit? I don't know, tuning it might help. But the small adjustment on the side will generally fix that. So if I go in and I adjust this a little bit, try not to shock myself. Get that in there. Now, see, you get the rolling start, and then as I adjust it, so that does work. Yeah, so anyway, this is just a short review. This is my personal TV, and definitely don't use it, but it's a unique piece, and thank you for viewing.